Oh, this driller's gonna kill me, bro. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome to week 4 of the Fly Define series, guys. The most intense fire jump rope hit workout on YouTube, guaranteed. I'm here with my main guy, strength and conditioning coach Joey Scott. What's
cracking, people?
What's cracking, Joey? Go check him out. Cut Define, guys. We want to really push you guys to the limit today. This could be the last episode in the series. You guys need to do 2 things right now. You need to, 1, like this video before you've even seen it, especially my OG subscribers and big time followers. And 2, let me know down below right now if you want me to continue this series every single week. If you guys are new to Rush Athletics TV, want to say a massive warm welcome. This is the home of jump rope fitness, tutorials, loud neighbors, and everything else you need to know about how to skip like a boss, guys. So smash. It sounds weird, doesn't it, when I say smash? Yeah. Can't say it properly.
So smash.
So smash that subscribe button. I'm just laughing. And don't forget, if you're not sure what ropes we use on this channel, we of course use the Rush Athletics speed rope, also known as the money rope, the most in-demand speed rope on the planet, guys. Use YouTube 10 for 10% discount on any order right now on my website. Otherwise, guys, trust me, this workout is probably the toughest we have ever created. This is a burpee crusher. Like, literally, Joey is out here to kill everyone today. And
I'm gonna kill myself today.
It's really gonna push your body to the limits, people. So stick with us. Let's do this. We're gonna get through this workout in 3, 2, 1. We're gonna get this workout started, guys. 1 minute warm up. You know the drill. We're gonna start with 1 arm swings. Let's do this. So 1 arm swings, guys. Gonna get the body nice and warm. I'm not gonna lie, man, it's cold today.
Very cold.
Cold. A few high legs, high knees. Oh, man. Calves are sore as well. All week, been skipping, leg days. A few more seconds and we'll do a few bodyweight exercise warm-ups with Joey. Let's go, Joey.
All right, guys, we're just gonna warm up the knees. We're gonna do knee warm-ups today because we're gonna be doing a lot of burpees.
I'm gonna show it sideways. What we doing?
We're gonna put our fingers near our toes and we're just gonna bend up and down on the knees, keeping the heels flat on the floor, flexion, extension on the knees. Up. There we go.
Yeah. Right, guys, quick break. 30-second break. We're gonna go straight into the first cycle. This guy really needs to stop drilling. Right, first skipping exercise. You know the drill, right? It's 1 minute skipping, then 30-second body weight, 30-second body weight. So you're working out for 2 minutes. Right, 10 seconds left. First skipping exercise, guys, is gonna be a run with a double cross, okay? So I should have already shown you on the screen right now what that looks like. Joey's just started skipping, so if you can't do this one, what you're gonna do, Joey, is you're gonna basically, so cold, my rope's getting tangled. All right, okay, so you're gonna go into a run, guys, and it's a double cross like this, okay? 1, 2. Joey's gonna start with 1 cross, that's good. To get this double cross nailed, you're gonna keep the elbows fixed. 1, 2. You can't let that first elbow break. 1, 2. So the wrist stay beside you, so the rope can pass. 1, 2. If you can't do the cross with the run, nice, Joey. Nice and easy. First cross, 1, 2. Nearly. Let's get to 1 cross. And if you can't do the cross, guys, just keep with the run. Good. Nice work, bro. 1. Just nearly. I mashed myself up. All right, a few more seconds of first bodyweight exercise. My legs are already done. What are we doing, bro?
All right, guys. Rolling burpees. Rolling tuck jump.
Oh, bro, what are we doing?
So rolling burpees. The drill with this exercise, guys, keeping the knees nice and close to work them core. Working the core. So it's like you're gonna do a roly-poly but you don't actually roll over.
I'm rolling over, bro. 3 more seconds. What's the next exercise, bro?
Plank into leg raise.
Plank is the leg twist, yeah?
Yeah, so we've got in the plank position, arm shoulder width apart. We're bringing the leg in here for the abs, up working the glutes here.
Oh yeah, plank with the leg extension.
Yeah. So guys, you could do like 5 on each leg.
I'm gonna change leg, guys. 10 more seconds, leg. 5 more
Remembering
seconds.
to breathe, squeezing at the top.
2, 1. Whoa. That was tough.
First cycle, guys.
Where's roly poly? Bro, roly poly burpee. Right, 30 seconds rest. Get it done. Right folks, 10 seconds left or so. I'm breathing hard already. Remember, make sure you try and stay to those 30-second breaks. Next skipping exercise is gonna be boxer stance skip, guys. Right, the key to this is you wanna be in that boxer position, one leg behind the other. It's all about balance and coordination as always, guys. So you're gonna stay on the balls of your feet. You're gonna feel the weight shifting between back and forward, or the back leg and the front leg. Then you want to switch. That's it. Nice work, Joey. Remember the breathing. 30 seconds to go. And the switch. It's a solid move for your calves. How you find it, bro?
Feel it in the calves.
You feel it, yeah?
Yeah.
Sick move, especially if you're a little boxer out there. Wicked for your balance, agility. If you get really good at it, you can just sort of speed it up. Nice quick revolutions. You're turning your body side on a little bit from the hips down. 4 more seconds. Joey's taking us into the next burpee.
Bunny hop burpees, guys.
Let's go, quick time, Joes.
From here.
Oh shit. What we doing here, bro?
So we're bouncing on the tip of our toes.
We got to talk.
Working the
I don't know how you're
press up.
I don't know how you're gonna explain this, bro. What's the difference? Oh, bro. Next exercise, Joe. Oh.
Alternating leg raises.
Alternating leg raises.
So 1. Holding, pausing.
15 seconds left.
Staying at a 45-degree angle, keeping that tension on them core, on the core.
5 seconds left, guys. Come, push. Oh, jeez. That's the second cycle done. 30-second rest. Let's do it. About 3 seconds left, we're gonna go straight into slow alternating jumps. This is how this move, guys, looks. You're going from left to right. You wanna slow it down, right? You don't wanna go too fast like this. You're gonna feel the burn on those quads. You're gonna be really nice and balanced, Joe. Good. You're shifting the weight, right? What we're trying to do is we're trying to strengthen the muscles around the knees. Really good for your joints, this move, yeah?
Feel it.
Feeling it, something.
It's good.
You want to stay nice and low, like you feel that center of gravity really nice and low to the ground. You're not too upright like this, chest out. You want to be really over your toes, chest feels like it's kind of moving forward, like a little bit over your toes, the floor. Right? You're going to keep those shoulders retract. Keep breathing. Right, let's slow it down, Joe. We're getting too fast. That's it.
Yeah, every time I go slow, I get caught.
It's hard, isn't it? A few more seconds, guys, and we're going into conventional burpee, right? Let's go.
So press up.
I hate this press up burpee, yeah?
to go low in these press ups, bro. So the aim with this, guys, get a nice press up. Jump back onto your feet. A few more seconds. So here, up.
Next one, plank twist.
Plank twist. So arm here. On the side, big stretching. Needle and thread. Through the top, needle and thread. So you can do 5 on each. 3, 4.
Switch sides.
Change sides. Oh. So if you find these exercises a bit easy, guys, you can do a minute instead of 30 seconds.
Yep.
Making it a bit more intense.
Keep those 30-second breaks sharp, guys. No longer than 30 seconds. Next cycle coming up. About 10 seconds left. Next exercise for skipping one-legged hops, right? These are solid on the calves. Make sure you stay nice on the balls of your feet. Change after 2 or 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Go for longer if you want. You can add this little knee raise. Even better. Good for the coordination as always. Right calf is absolutely burning right now.
Injured, isn't it?
Yeah, man. Oh, peeps. Make sure you drop this a like in your next rest period if you haven't already. Obviously right now you should be doing your work. You should be skipping right now. You shouldn't just be watching this with your feet up. That'll be weird. Can you imagine? Peeps just watching this without even working out. Whilst we're just struggling, bro. A few more seconds left. Joey, what's the next exercise? We've got a few more.
We're gonna go plank into burpee.
Another burpee.
We're gonna be here.
Yep.
In the plank position.
Yep.
We're gonna go here.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh.
So we're gonna be here.
Yep.
Plank. Do some triceps. Legs.
Whew.
So plank. Using some triceps.
When you come up, should you be on the balls of your feet or like your heels as well?
Balls of your feet.
Like here.
Yeah.
Cool. A few more seconds. One more. What's the next exercise, Joe?
Mountain hops.
Mountain hops.
Yeah. So feet shoulder width apart. So we're gonna be mountain.
Oh man, this ain't fun, man.
Oh, this one's not nice. Get them legs right up, guys.
Oh man.
Working the shoulders as well.
6 seconds. Push, guys. This is fucking tough. 1. Oh, that's dirty. Cycle. I don't know where I'm at. One more cycle to go. 30-second break. Let's do this. Right, peeps, 5 seconds left, last cycle. We're gonna go with double under ladders. Here we go, this is advanced. You're gonna start with 1 double under. 1. Back to sort of your boxer step now. We're gonna go for 2 double unders. 1, 2. If you're just a beginner, intermediate, just stick with 1 double under. 1. Ooh, calves are burning. 1, 2, 3. Well done, Joey. We're gonna go for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, Joey. 5, get your breath back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oi, you boss. Joey's a gangster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, Joey. Bro, this guy literally only learned about 3-4 weeks ago. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done, Joey. Let's go.
Walk out into burpees, guys.
Walk out into burpees.
So walk out. Press up.
That's hard.
Nice straight legs.
It's a burner for the hammies, bro.
Burn. Hammies, keeping them hammies straight when you come up.
That's stretching my calf. Next exercise, bro. Oblique touches now.
Oblique touches.
Last 30 seconds, go, boys and girls.
So 1. Working them obliques.
How are you touching your? How's that even possible, bro? Oh yeah.
So you kind of, it's like the snake. People call it the snake as well.
10 seconds. Oh, I'm struggling. Last few seconds, peeps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Bro. 5 variations of burpees. We're done.
Always a pleasure, bro.
Always a pleasure as always. Do drop this video a thumbs up, people. Give it a like for Joey, man. He's been putting in the work for us. Thank you, bro.
Good workout.
Killer exercises. People, we're gonna catch you in the next video as always. More tutorials, skills, motivation, inspiration, and workouts. So, without further ado, Joey, we're gonna leave it there, guys.
Stay winning.
Stay winning, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Boom.